Hi, this is Jackie Chiatti, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Did you know that you can import information that you find on a website into Microsoft Excel? Well, you can if it's organized in tables. And so what we're looking at here today is we're looking at the Metro Atlanta Chamber of Commerce's webpage that lists all of the Fortune 500 and Fortune 1000 companies that are headquartered in Atlanta. Old school way of getting this information to Excel involves highlighting everything, copying it, pasting it into Excel, and then fiddling around with it to get all of your data to line up properly. Fortunately, we no longer have to do that. So step number one is you want to make sure to copy the URL and then go into Excel. On the Data tab, in the Get and Transform Data group, you will click from Web. And once the box pops up, you want to paste that URL into the box and click OK. It's going to take a moment to analyze the web page and show you any tables that happen to be on that web page. So here is found 3 items. And when I click the first one, you see this is not helpful. But if I click table 0 and table 1, you see that's where our data resides. You can import the tables one by one, or you can import them all at once. In order to import them all at once, you want to put a check mark next to select multiple items, and then that allows you to select multiple items. Next step, you want to load it into a worksheet or into multiple worksheets. Now, if you simply click the load button, it's going to bring it into the data model. If you're not familiar with the data model, probably not something you want to do. So let's click the drop down and select load to, and then here we're going to say table into a new worksheet, and we're going to uncheck add this item to the data, add this data to the data model, and then click OK. What this does is it creates 2 tables and brings them in to your workbook. So here's the first one that shows the Fortune 1000. Here's the second one that shows the Fortune 500. We could have transformed, in other words, we could have edited this data to merge them together before bringing them into Excel. But I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to get this task accomplished. Doing things like merging or appending data, that gets more into topics that we cover in our monthly Power Query course, but knowing this skill can take you a long way. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I would appreciate your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.